Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this. It's bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you, so please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work. For decades, astronomers, astronauts, and conspiracy theorists have reported a mysterious object orbiting Earth, a satellite unlike any human-made craft. Known as the Black Knight, this enigmatic presence has sparked rumors, fears, and questions that remain unanswered. But what if it is not just a satellite? What if the Black Knight is something far more sinister, a weapon from an intelligence beyond our understanding? Sightings of the Black Knight date back over 13,000 years, according to some interpretations of ancient records. Modern reports, including photographs from the 1990s, show a dark, irregular object in polar orbit. It doesn't behave like a conventional satellite. Moves with an intelligence that seems calculated, observing, waiting, and perhaps even influencing. The object defies explanation. Engineers claim its orbit is impossible for natural debris. Astronomers argue it should have decayed decades ago. And yet, it remains silent and constant, a sentinel over our planet. Could it be a warning, a probe, or something designed for a darker purpose? Some theorists argue that the Black Knight is an alien weapon, sent to monitor humanity, or worse, to intervene if we cross certain boundaries. Its orbital pattern is polar, giving it complete coverage of the Earth. It is as if whoever placed it there intended to watch every corner of the planet. The origins of the Black Knight are unclear, shrouded in myths and speculation. Some say it was first detected by Nikola Tesla, who reportedly intercepted unusual radio signals in 1899, originating from space. Could Tesla have stumbled upon a warning from an alien intelligence, a coded message transmitted through radio waves? When astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour photographed the Black Knight in 1998, the object appeared as a dark, elongated satellite. NASA dismissed it as space debris or thermal blankets, yet experts note that its shape and movement do not match any known man-made object. Could NASA be hiding the truth from the public? Radio signals linked to the Black Knight have been recorded intermittently for decades. Their long, repeating pulses, impossible to trace to human sources. Some researchers claim these signals are binary codes or messages from an extraterrestrial mind, waiting for us to decipher them. But what if the messages are not benign, but a threat? Some believe the Black Knight is much older than human civilization, orbiting silently for thousands of years, observing our evolution. Its purpose may not be scientific curiosity, it may be containment, enforcement, or even preparation for intervention. Could this satellite be a weapon, capable of immense destruction, hidden in plain sight above our heads? The patterns of its orbit are precise, almost unnatural. Unlike typical satellites, which are launched into controlled trajectories, the Black Knight seems to adjust its path, maintaining a constant vigil. Could it detect nuclear tests, missile launches, or other human activities? Its persistence suggests an intelligence far beyond our own. The timing of its appearances is curious. Reports often spike during periods of global tension, from Cold War escalations to modern conflicts. Is this mere coincidence, or does the Black Knight respond to the state of human civilization, perhaps as a guardian or enforcer of cosmic rules? NASA's dismissal of the Black Knight as debris is suspicious. Could it be a convenient cover-up to avoid public panic? If the object is indeed a weapon, the implications are staggering. Humanity could be under surveillance, monitored by a force that can strike with unimaginable precision, yet remains invisible to us. Some researchers link the Black Knight to ancient myths, suggesting that it was responsible for unexplained events in human history. Crop circles, strange lights in the sky, and historical accounts of celestial phenomena could all be tied to this silent observer. Could it have guided, warned, or even punished civilizations long before modern technology existed? Astronaut reports are particularly chilling. Many describe feeling watched when near the Black Knight, a sense of presence that is impossible to explain scientifically. Some even report malfunctions in their equipment, as though the satellite can interfere with electronic devices. Is this a weapon that can manipulate technology from orbit? The Black Knight's size remains a mystery. Estimates suggest it is massive, far larger than conventional satellites, yet its structure is unknown. Its dark surface reflects little light, making it almost invisible to telescopes. This stealth, combined with its irregular shape, suggests design for concealment or survival. as if it were built to endure thousands of years in space. Some theorists argue that governments have been aware of the Black Knight for decades, perhaps even centuries. Could secret space programs exist solely to monitor, communicate with, or even control this alien object? The lack of transparency fuels speculation about its true purpose and origin. The signals recorded from the Black Knight have been interpreted in many ways. Some claim they are mathematical sequences, cosmic warnings, or instructions for humanity. Others fear the messages are activation codes, triggering events we cannot comprehend. Could we be unknowingly following instructions left by an alien weapon? Historical anomalies hint at its ancient presence. Some point to cave paintings, legends, and myths describing a black object in the sky that watched humanity. Could our ancestors have known of the Black Knight, recording its existence as divine observation, interpreting it as godly or supernatural intervention? Theories about its weaponization are chilling. Some suggest it could manipulate gravitational fields, launch destructive energy beams, or even interfere with satellites and communication networks. Its purpose may be defensive, deterring humanity from destructive behavior, or offensive, punishing those who cross a cosmic line. The pattern of sightings suggests intelligence and purpose. It does not drift like debris, it maneuvers. It positions itself where it can observe the entire globe. Could it be monitoring environmental destruction, nuclear proliferation, or other indicators of human activity that it deems dangerous? Some UFO researchers suggest the Black Knight is connected to the mysterious phenomenon of missing satellites and space debris. Could it be responsible for strange anomalies in orbit, manipulating other satellites, or even neutralizing them? Its role may be much more active than passive observation. The orbital behavior of the Black Knight is consistent with an object designed for long-term surveillance. Polar orbits cover all latitudes, ensuring no corner of Earth is unmonitored. Could its creators have intended it as a warning system, a weapon of last resort, or both? Witnesses report that the Black Knight seems to emit a low-level electromagnetic field. Some claim it can interfere with radio signals, GPS, and other communications. This suggests an advanced technology far beyond human capability, consistent with the theory of it being an alien weapon. The fact that the Black Knight remains a mystery despite decades of observation raises unsettling questions. How can an object of this size remain undetected and unexplained? Is it truly alien, or is it part of a hidden human program kept secret for strategic reasons? The Black Knight challenges our understanding of space, technology, and human history. If it is a weapon, it may represent a level of technological sophistication far beyond our own, hinting at civilizations capable of observing and influencing us from the shadows of orbit. Some speculate that the Black Knight is part of a larger network of extraterrestrial monitoring devices scattered across the solar system or beyond. If this is true, humanity is not alone, and we may have been under surveillance for millennia, guided or restrained by forces we barely comprehend. The implications are staggering. If the Black Knight is a weapon, its very presence implies a form of judgment. Are we being tested, monitored, or even contained? Every theory suggests intelligence, power, and a reach that far exceeds our imagination. In the end, the Black Knight forces us to question what we know about space, human capability, and the universe itself. It may not be a passive satellite, but a sentinel, a guardian, or a weapon. Its presence reminds us that humanity is not the center of everything, and that forces beyond our comprehension may be watching every move we make. Our world may be under observation, not by chance, but by design. The Black Knight hovers silently, a dark sentinel in orbit, its intentions unknown, its power unmatched. Whether it is guardian, weapon, or something else entirely, its presence is a warning that humanity is not alone, and perhaps never has been. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you, so please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work.